Hello, welcome to the last video with me in it. This is the conclusion video. So here you are going to learn the key components to a conclusion paragraph and more specifically how to restate that thesis. So there are three parts of the conclusion. The first is restating your thesis. The second then is going to be to summarize the information from your body paragraphs. And the last thing that you're going to do is give a final comment. And that is where you answer the question, so what, or why is this important? So final comment. Why is this important? All right, so three main pieces. First, you restate your thesis, then you summarize the information from your body paragraphs, and then you give your final comment, which answers the question, so what or why is this important? And this being your essay, the stuff that you're talking about in your essay. Why is all of that stuff important? So one of the hardest things to do in a conclusion is actually to restate your thesis. Oftentimes, many of us just want to write word for word what our thesis is. Again, that's not what I want to see. I want to see you actually going through and changing the format of the sentence so that it looks a lot different but contains the same ideas. So let me go over an example with you really quick with that topic of cell phones. So topic is cell phones, and here's my thesis and plan combined into one sentence. It says students should be able to use cell phones in class because they are a useful tool and can come in handy in emergency situations. So there's my thesis. Now, if I want to restate that thesis, I could say there are various reasons students should be permitted to use cell phones in the classroom setting. So I have taken my thesis and just transformed it into a different sentence, but have the same ideas represented there. So I didn't list off my reasons, but I used one of those number words and said there are various reasons that students should be permitted to use cell phones in the classroom setting. So another thing that I did was I used a synonym for this word able. So instead of saying be able, I said be permitted. So if you're having a hard time thinking about different words that you could use, always look for synonyms, especially for those verbs. And we have tons of thesauruses in our classroom, as well as a computer right in front of you. So please utilize those tools. So again, 3 steps to that conclusion: restate thesis, summarize the info from the body paragraphs, and then give that final comment, answer the question, so what, and why is this important? Yay, you're almost done with your essays, or at least with taking notes on it. All right, so if you have any questions, again, please just let me know. I am here for you, and happy writing.